2025 Honda S2000 marks the return of one of Honda's most beloved sports cars, reimagined for a new generation of driving enthusiasts. It stays true to the original formula. Lightweight, open-top, high-revving excitement with a laser focus on driver engagement. From the outside, the 2025 S2000 is low, compact, and purposeful. A long hood, short rear deck, and cab backstance clearly communicate rear-wheel drive proportions. Sharp LED headlights, a wide grille opening, and sculpted front bumper give it a modern performance look without losing its clean, timeless appeal. Strong character lines along the sides, flared rear haunches, and 18 or 19-inch alloy wheels fill out the stance. The power-soft top roof folds quickly and neatly, preserving a sleek profile whether it's up or down. Inside, the cabin is unapologetically driver-focused. You sit low, with a near-perfect driving position behind a small, thick-rimmed steering wheel and close-set pedals. The dashboard is simple and oriented toward the driver, with a fully digital instrument cluster that can prioritize a large central tachometer, gear display, and performance data. A central touchscreen handles infotainment, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Bluetooth, and available navigation, while physical knobs and buttons remain for key climate and drive mode functions. Materials include well-finished soft-touch plastics, leather or Alcantara on higher trims, and metal look or carbon-style accents. The seats are heavily bolstered to hold you in place during spirited driving, but remain supportive enough for longer journeys. Under the hood, the 2025 S2000 stays true to Honda's performance heritage with a high-revving four-cylinder, now updated with turbocharging and modern efficiency tech. Expect a strong mid-range and a top end that encourages you to run it out to redline, very much in the spirit of the original car. A precise 6-speed manual transmission is central to the experience, with a short mechanical throw and well-weighted clutch, while an automatic option, likely a fast-shifting unit with paddle shifters, may be offered for broader appeal. Power is sent exclusively to the rear wheels, with a limited slip differential to maximize traction on corner exit. Chassis tuning is where the S2000 shines. A stiff structure, double wishbone or advanced multi-link suspension, and low center of gravity work together to deliver sharp turn-in, excellent balance, and a playful but controllable rear end. Steering is quick, communicative, and hydraulically or very well-tuned electrically assisted. Multiple drive modes allow you to adjust throttle mapping, steering weight, stability control thresholds, and where fitted, adaptive damping, ranging from a compliant road setting to a much tauter, track-ready feel. Despite its pure sports car character, the 2025 S2000 includes a solid suite of safety and driver assistance tech. Depending on market and trim, you can expect automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and a high-resolution rearview camera. These systems are calibrated to support the driver without diluting the core driving experience. Practicality is as you'd expect from a compact roadster. The trunk is modest but usable for weekend bags or a couple of soft cases, and there are small interior storage spaces for phones, wallets, and daily essentials. The focus remains on lightweight and driving enjoyment rather than cargo hauling. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Honda S2000 is expected to sit above hot hatchbacks and Civic-type performance models, but below most premium European roadsters. In many markets, that would likely place it in the approximate $45,000 to $60,000 range depending on trim and options, making it a relatively attainable enthusiast car given its performance and pedigree. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Grav on Cars, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest sports car reviews. Tell me in the comments, would you spec your 2025 S2000 with the 6-speed manual for maximum engagement, or go for the automatic for daily convenience? Thanks for watching Grav on Cars. Drive safe, stay passionate, and keep moving forward.